Hey you guys, welcome back to How to Style a Hat. I am so excited about today. It's like Christmas time. You guys, we now have a new thing called a hat styling kit that we have been working on for so long. I mean, literally, this was a dream of mine a couple years ago. And because they're so thoughtful and special, it has taken us a really long time to bring them to life, but they are here. Get excited. These are amazing. So let me tell you a little bit about the hat styling kits. They are designed to make hat styling easy peasy from your turf, whether you're in a store and grab one and make it right there at their hat bar, or if you're at home or want to do them with friends at an event. It is meant to be fun and easy, and I'm going to show you just how simple it is. So every kit is a little different. They all have a hat band or two, they have feathers, they have a pin, they have a vintage brooch, a playing card, and a matchbook, but they're all one of a kind from their assortment. So I am personally hand collecting the vintage brooches, the vintage matchbooks, and so they're really truly all totally unique. You have to go dig through our website or go on our wholesale account and go check them out if you want to see all the individuality. But today I wanted to start with a boho kit. We have 3 to launch. One's bohemian, one's western, and one is rocker. Those are 3 universal themes in our stores that people love to use on their hats. And just because it's a theme doesn't mean it can't lean a little boho western or rocker boho. It can be all sorts of looks. I'm going to show you just how today. But since I'm feeling all the boho vibes, I'm in my typical kind of Cali uniform, a layering duster, a wide brim hat, a graphic tee. I thought I would make the boho with you guys. So I think most bohos love a wide brim hat. It gives a shade, it gives a style, and it's all those classic hat vibes. So I'm starting with our blush Stevie hat. And I've already opened up a kit to make this simple, but this one has this golden band, which I love, clearly. I'm wearing all the golden colors today. So I'm just gonna wrap this band right around the crown. Here's one fun thing. All of our kits have styling tips on the back. So if you're, a little curious or hesitant about how to do this, it's all spelled out for you to make it easy peasy. But I'm just doing a simple knot on this boho hat to start. Starting with that great big band around the crown, add some good real estate. This kit included a skinny piece of kind of crochet lace. So I'm gonna place that right over here and add yet another knot. I love this color story already. It's all the dreamy sunset tones, wonderful to wear all year long. And before I cut these ties, I'm just gonna keep them nice and loose so we can kind of play with it at the end. A lot of boho styles love that kind of perfectly imperfect, drippy, drapey look. So we're gonna leave that until the end and kind of see how we want to finish her off. But I have those 2 bands on there, ready to kind of add all the fun layering. So every kit comes with at least 3 feathers. Use all 3, use 1, whatever your style is. This one comes with this pretty ivory plumy feather, so easy to just throw right in there. I love an ostrich. Then here's a classic turkey. It adds some good earthy brown vibes. I think my boho guys and gals love a little bit of distressing, so go ahead and play with those little pieces and give it a little lived in look. And then here's this beautiful little golden gal. Oh, I love her little curl. Throw her in there. And then from there, this one came with a big vintage kind of daisy brooch, so I'm gonna throw that on there. All of the brooches, like I said, are found in the fields of flea markets from California to Texas. I personally go and dig for them. They are all so special and add such a story to the hats. While I'm putting these on here, some fun things about these kits. They're now in all FleaStyle stores, so you can go grab them and add as a gift. You can go take it and make a hat at home, or belly it to the bar and bring it to your stylist and use it right here in our stores. So then I'm adding this playing card. This playing card has this fun kind of mountain and cowboy motif on it. So again, just because it says boho, it has this very classic look that blends other styles. I love this matchbook. It says Kawaii Surf. I found that at the Long Beach Flea. Adding that in, that definitely adds that classic boho surfer girl touch. And then every kit ends with an original hat bar pin. These are our signature new pins that add our branding on it. But you can see this hat was so simply made, stunning, and I mean, I did that in minutes. So these kits are really, really made to be easy Simple and so fun. We also introduced these fun hat pin kits. So they have like little studs, they can have bling, they can have Western conchas. I found this one with pearls. Each kit comes with 3 hat pins and an owl tool, also known as a piercing tool, and they can add another layer of style to your hat. I picked the pearl because I feel like pearl can be very classy, you know, kind of posh, maybe a little southern. And so I wanted to show how on a boho hat, you could add these kind of more prim and proper pieces and add a whole nother look to your hat. So maybe you pull like our Western kit and add some real classic cowgirl looks, but they're just another way to add more layering and detail to your hat. Look how cute that is. All right, so each one comes with 3. So I'm gonna put these 3 in a little cluster, kind of going for like a maximalist look all in one area. Sometimes I love to spread the love in different areas of my hat, but this one is so stunning. I want them all to live together. So I have them right there, ready to go in that little cute trio. And there she is, a boho hat with a touch of class, all from our new hat styling kits. I hope you guys enjoyed this. We are so excited. Go check them out, and I cannot wait to see the hats you designed from them. Bye.